Ayy, build business credit fast. That's what we're about. Entrepreneurs learning the game, stacking and stacking in the bank accounts. Build business credit fast. It's where we link up together, learning the game, learning the structure. Let's make it happen. We're in this together. Everything you need, it's amazing. Building up a credit foundation. Net 30 accounts, help obtain them. No need to delay. Why you waiting? Everything from store credit to wireless service. Corporate credit cards, that's for certain. Welcome to the group, cause I know that you've been searching. You ain't gotta be in the dark. All the info that you want. Time to build your credit now. And this group will show you how. Auto financing and more. Plenty support, that's what we do. Giving the insight and the truth. Just wanna welcome you to the group. Hey, build business credit fast. That's what we're about. Entrepreneurs learning the game, stacking and stacking in the bank accounts. Let's go. Build business credit fast.